Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. Today we learn about prepositions with verbs. These are special word pairs like listen to, wait for, and look at. English verbs need specific prepositions to sound natural. Here are our three main verb preposition pairs. Listen to means using your ears to hear something. Wait for means staying in place until someone or something arrives. Look at means directing your eyes toward something. Verbs have fixed preposition partners in English. Saying listen music sounds wrong to native speakers. The correct form is always listen to music. Wrong prepositions make English confusing or incorrect. Many learners say listen music instead of listen to music. People say married with instead of married to, and waiting the bus is wrong. The correct preposition is waiting for the bus. Always use the right preposition pair. I'm good in English becomes I'm good at English. Afraid from dogs changes to afraid of dogs. Arrive to the airport is wrong. Say arrived at the airport instead. Angry to him becomes angry with him. Practice these corrections. Listen to uses your ears to pay attention to sound. Use listen to with music, radio, teachers, or news. Listen to means you make an effort to hear something clearly. Focus on the audio with listen to. I listen to music every evening. Please listen to the teacher carefully. She listens to podcasts on her commute. We listened to the news this morning. Notice how listen to always goes with things that make sound. Wait for means staying somewhere until someone or something arrives. Use wait for with people, buses, friends, or phone calls. You stay in position expecting something to come to you. Look at means directing your eyes towards something specific. Use look at with pictures, people, phones, or sunsets. Your eyes focus on one particular thing when you look at something.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.